IGC news beba Bawumia akwaba ahadia ni TZ hot news nkwa enamede bremo enuti so nyan subscribe ya bomori ase over subscribe to the channel do be am say over click the subscribe button now wabele notification we understand video bia be upload on the first person that was sabika video afi Bawumia na one like video give us a thumbs up na fi share of so na we maybe here that will who and someone and also Ghana memoha afi yebura eye and someone abeto yeproso yiti eye sa report here abeto ga yiti sanse yiti
on say last time me cat boy we want some actually Ghana. I told you people say Micheal Blackson, he was doing politics. There was a time I came on my show and I said, you are not a kid, you are not even a star. When was the last time you featured in any A plus movie or any A class movie or A rated movie? Bear 20 years ni. Concert I bear in 1990 and one we did who kakran kakra bedru ha. And to do not try and make it look like say what America to say me a green card holder. You are trying to mislead Ghanaians who are going through hell. I was on my platform and I said, Micheal Blackson, shut up. You are nobody. You are over 50 years. Akaka criminal for retirement. You will be holding a stick, walking in neighborhoods and cheering to and saying hello to young kids. Maybe you should stop fooling because maybe a Ghana economy nikono. People like him, they are supposed to be bold, straightforward in their decision or statement. This idiot came to insult John Mahama. Okay. A few months ago, he was on social media, he was on Twitter insulting John Mahama. Today, this cat is screaming. He's meowing. Today, Okra where he is meowing on Twitter. What is he saying? I invested in Eurobond because I figured that will help pay for the lifespan of the free school I built. Ghana decided to use our money to pay China or whoever, and I leave us hanging. And Micheal Blackson and nim din se asante for kra. Or kem adentina or kema or si ni sike bia or de koto Eurobond no Ken Ofori Atta ne MPP fo diska no e de akotua Ghana fo ho ka into onte ase ni bu ofu Ghana pedifo ya kromfo onto mfa nche Ghana. Shut up you immigrant. Shut up you immigrant. I was telling you that you were supposed to be straightforward with the people. Wumuma so din se teshi iron rod me catch say stop the fooling. If you get the opportunity to be somebody people know a little bit, use that your influence to speak truth, irrespective. Especially, Samoka say you don't do active politics, sir. Say, moye so-called celebrities, sir. Most somebody amonya active politics, no. Mumpo nanka osa munya the opportunity and kamutumi kasa share government directly, because people know you don't do active politics. That means, Saban Sisa, you still have that free mind to speak on issues. But because you people are doing foolish politics indirectly, say Abaibana say Abaine say mina. You don't want to speak about Abaino. You want to try and still please the shit they are doing. And then Alande this hard face iron rod Liberian cat hard face boy in trouble. He's screaming on social media. He's screaming. He's quitting. He's quitting on Twitter. Why are you quitting? Shut up, you immigrants. I keep telling you people, anytime sometimes, Mekachamu say, there are some celebrities in Ghana, I don't hate them personally, but I hate that kind of character they put out to make Ghanaians think, say, oh me honest, they are not. Me, say I'm a celebrity, anka abambiaba mekanasem, and then the man looking like somebody who is neutral. On say and the demonstration, and it's got to do with the peace of Ghana. It's got to do with protecting our democracy. Did you see those people, those idiots who were making noise in 2014-15 about Ghana and we want democracy and the NPDC government? Did you see any of them come out? Aite powers na who knows something? Did you see any of them? No, they are all at home. They are waiting for the NPP to go into opposition. But you see, when the democracy is protected, these dwarfs will be standing on stages, different stages, and performing in a democratic state. Now, when you say democracy, majority of you, will you get to come on TV? Will you get to stand on stage and pull your legs and put it on a mic, on the speaker, and act as if you people, you are stronger in stepping? These are the things we talk about. Into this hard face immigrant is now screaming that Ghana for the CKD, na sika or the Babeshe school or Ghana no or the Koto Euro bond and I Ken Ofori Atta Bawumia omo for sika di ntini buofu apaka onyoma kofie ko Liberia men ko Ghana. These are some of the nonsense he actually wrote on social media. Let me read it for you to hear. I told you, o time obeba usikashi usimu jira said o maki zebra crossing was Yugoslavia.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
I mention kwasi asemi or watch or Twitter. Next time, next time they would sell you. They wouldn't even chop your money. These are some of the things he wrote. Ghana robbed me and a lot of other people that trusted them, even though, sorry, let me take this again. Ghana robbed me and a lot of other people that trusted them enough to invest in that country. And they offer Ghana that country. And they offer Ghana, my beloved, no see Ghana is that country. And the Ghana, I bet that country. When you didn't say brebo. Another one was say, Ghana has set me back financially, and I will never forgive them for this. You cannot forgive us. Forgive us, oh, we are Kwame Nkrumah's children. When you didn't say suya. Was it say England for flag? Was it say England for flag? 3 lions. Ubofu. Yeah, catch another Jimmy to America. Shiny. Togo for second. I did America didn't quasiasem. Or now didn't say so holy. Third one, this is what he wrote. The world can't allow these people. Hey, what? You're kind of afraid these people. Don't say that. Don't disrespect Ghanaians. If you've lost your money, talk to the government. Why are you insulting the whole Ghana? The world can't allow these people to do this and get away with it. There's got to be kind of there's not going to be any consequences with this. I see 52 billion go forward. Now $10,000 be I now be the day. 52 billion. Then chili cry away. Now Akoko na we the day. Michael, shut up, you immigrant. Tell your friends. I thought you have friends who are rich. Tell them that Ghanaians chop your money. They should give you more. They'll tell you that you immigrant. I was telling this guy, America, we know how it is here. How America has helped some of us here. We are all immigrants. We came here, America, so America helped us to become who we are. You, Micheal Blackson, if it wasn't for America, you would have been some boy sitting next to Bosumia, Ona Ototo powder, or dying, Ubedu America. Nyoma Koye, Abai Biaba almost say Ghana. Udu name din said the Ubo four posts. Ewa Anyenchirim, Ekekan Kwasiasamo Twitter, and that John Mahama, and that today. They have done it to you. You are calling we Ghana. That you come and meet us there. The Ghana people are waiting for you they are waiting for you because you insulted them. You are sitting in America, you're insulting Ghanaians. You see. That's your school. You see, they'll do everything and then they'll shut the school down. You don't know this government. You don't know. You, Michael, you immigrants. Now, let's move on. Ofui. Now the breaking news. Gigim breaking news. Now breaking news in say bank Ghana for Sebu. The government of Ghana Atong.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
The government of Ghana, they have sold Ghana Bank. Now they have sold the bank to wine. When did they do that? What I can tell you today, a few days or few weeks to come, they will come and tell you in a very diplomatic way. But that banking clean up from here, this government through Bawumia, Ofori Atta, and Addison, they are trying to clean their asses. But a bank that belongs to Ghana has been sold, and yet is being sold. It has been sold. If you have money in these banks, and this bank I'm about to mention, tomorrow go and take your money. See, say Sikada any this bank I'm about to mention. Ochina ko yu sika. Na ye town bank na ma broni. If Bawumia and the MPP say banking and clean up from here, no, it was supposed to save the banks and make the banks resolute and make the bank very, very resolute to be in Ghanaian market to work for the people. I don't think say banking closure no say ade omo no e better results by and committee and come can say omaton. They have sold the bank to some Switzerland abrofo no maton bank na momo. Omobaba na nsia be catch them say sa bank no maton. And the name of the bank is this bank. Egigim. CBG, Consolidated Bank Ghana Limited. The NPP government, they have sold it. CBG nina musika. They have sold the bank to some Swiss business company. The bank is going to come and take over CBG. They are going to own it. They have sold it. It does not belong to you again. Now these are let me minimize this. These are the banks MPP for power. Almost say almost banking cleanup. You remember these banks and almost say they have done what? They have merged all of them, and that they have merged them. Bank of Ghana say waka banks when you now boom audited bank bako. Adiama Ghana into CBG is a fully owned banker. It is fully owned by Ghanaians. A Ghana for bank. Construction Bank omuguno almost omunguno omumeje. The Beige Bank, the Royal Bank, Unibank and Sovereign Bank. Almost banks we nyina no mo buy no mo dwumadi omogdi no enkwa enim. Into omo kan mo nyina bomu omo no mo kan say a major. And omo de CBG. As I speak to you, they have sold it. Billions, they have shared the money. Next week, next 2 weeks, next 3 weeks, they are going to come tell you so my tongue in a different language. In a different language. So when you go back into records, now could see in Summer Bank of Ghana, Ekafa, the decision they took to do the banking cleanup now. This is what they actually said. Mami Enchel Bibi Muncho. Nami Mauncho said these people are criminals. The banking closure now, it was a lie. Now, so we read it government establishes new indigenous bank. Bank of Ghana revokes licenses of 5 banks and appoints receiver in respect of their assets and liabilities. Bank of Ghana say sa bank ro sizi ni nya no jomo japade ni nyina e no de te bank bako into omo sika nyina e kai no okani nyina bomu no de te CBG a be ye Ghana dia. Into ready point A now. What has happened to Unibank Ghana Limited, the Royal Bank Limited, Beige Bank Limited, Sovereign Bank Limited, and Construction Bank Limited? This was the answer Bank of Ghana gave. The Bank of Ghana has revoked the banking licenses of these 5 banks and has appointed a receiver over their assets and liabilities. Deposits and selected assets and liabilities of these banks have been acquired and assumed by a new bank, Consolidated Bank Ghana Limited. All deposits of the 5 banks are safe. Listen, all deposits of 5 banks are safe and have been transferred to the Consolidated Bank. Almost Sa bank 5 rinya sika ekemu no ni nyina ye safe omo move sika ni nyina de akosha ade friend Consolidated Bank mu. Now all deposits of the 5 banks are safe and have been transferred to the Consolidated Bank. Customers can carry out their businesses as usual at their respective banks, which will now become branches of Consolidated Bank. All staff of these banks will become staff of Consolidated Bank. Board of directors and shareholders of these banks no longer have any roles. Bank of Ghana catcher said, "Sa 5 banks we the nyina ka boom aye Consolidated Bank. Sika na ehye sa 5 banks ni nyina no. Sa sika no de akohyem ne friend Consolidated Bank. In say time a ye sa de we no. Sa ukọ na sa ukoto bank bi ti say. Okoto bank bi to say a construction bank. Okoto bank is a Beige Bank. Okoto bank is a Royal Bank, Unibank, any sovereign banker. Oko na say omo wa. Me hu omo so me Unibank. Me hu omo say omo sovereign bank. Me hu omo so omo Royal Bank. Omo nyina ni ate bank ba ko ne de omo nyina bom say Consolidated Bank. Sa bank na yaton. Now, this is what the Bank of Ghana said. Time omo de a banking closure. A issue ni ba no. These are some of the things they said. Does government of Ghana intend to own Consolidated Bank Limited forever? We're a Bank of Ghana document. There was one question that they were asking the Bank of Ghana. Does government of Ghana intend to own Consolidated Bank Ghana Limited forever? This was the answer. The government of Ghana intends to offload its shares in Consolidated Bank Ghana Limited within a period of 2 years. Now, the government intends to give ordinary Ghanaians the opportunity to acquire shares. The opportunity to acquire these shares. Remember, Consolidated Bank was established by the Bank of Ghana. It means say, sa bank na ese eye Bank of Ghana nete ye no eye mene Ghana ni yedia. And a man for Busa Bank of Ghana say, na sa Consolidated Bank we a bedroom baby a Bank of Ghana be in safe free one and a Bank of Ghana for say ane ye be in safe free ye safe free one ye the bema Ghana for. Yeah, the bank ne shares ni na bema Ghana for. Na Ghana for a only bank no. But as we speak today, they have sold the bank to Switzerland for and a ton bank na momo. I went to Switzerland. A colleague journalist gave me this information because he's also investigating what is happening in Switzerland. I followed this story for about 6 months. I was quiet. I wanted to see. A colleague journalist in Switzerland I was working with said they have done the deal. They have sold this bank to a Swiss company. Into Consolidated Bank, Bank of Ghana didn't catch them. Say after 2 years they will sell it to Ghanaians, but they are now selling it to Swiss. They are selling to Switzerland for. I'll leave it here today. That is the breaking news. Into CBG. Enam Ghana, 5 banks, Kabomu, Consolidated Bank, Ghana na, almost say, to save Ghanaians, they have sold CBG. That's the breaking news here. First, the Bank of Ghana governor, Ken Ofori Atta led this. The finance minister knows. They want to clean their tracks. Banking cleanup. They are cleaning their tracks. Right now, towns are CBG way at the Switzerland for. When it comes to power, make an NDC for it's going to be tough for you to investigate this issue because now there's a third party who now owns 100 or 80 or 90% of the shares. How are you going to fight that? They have sold your property to the Swiss. These banks, this CBG was supposed to be given to Ghanaians. That is a breaking news. Catch a Ghana phone answer Kevin Taylor and the breaking will have first. Do not forget.
Yo, it will win and some ababeto yepono so because GCD so and our channel so we are subscriber ya or say over subscribe to the channel and say how do you latest and hot news and I'm a bravo. Although we are not like video give us a thumbs up. Mafi share my offer for so now will you be here now and someone apostle I will Ghana memo hanum. What's over to me and share what you're fire and some way now I will comment boxing Mobete in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.